You guys want to know what it's like? That's what it's like to be at a red light in New York City. When you were supposed to be at the bus terminal 2 hours ago. You see these taxis? These motherfuckers are out here. Check out all these taxis. They're out here. They're out here. Oh, look at the cop. Oh, they're out here. Hey, Uncle Mario's. Uncle Mario's. Hey, Mickey D's. Yep. Gossip. Yo, what time are they open? You think I can read? Yeah. What? McDonald's. Probably.
Open late, it says.
It says, every day. That's all I see, every day. Open late. This is up. Let me zoom in on that. Oh, you can't really see it, but on the door, it says open late. Yeah, go in Mickey D's, guy. Go in Mickey D's. Look at these taxis, yo. We've been stuck in this red light for the past 20 minutes. What's on your side, Tito? Nothing special? No. What's on your side?
Housing works.
What? What housing works, he said? I got these ugly ass taxis, nigga. Finally, yo, we got a little burst of movement. So you guys, you know, never come to New York. This is how they drive in New York. Shittiness. Imagine if I caught something real nice on video too. Like someone getting fucked up. Whoa, car accident. Oh shit. Motherfuckers are walking the streets. There's too many people. Way too many people for me to fuck with this. This intersection is jam-packed. Yo, CeeLo, I got some creepy motherfucking shit to show you about this video. There's something creepy about this video, that I will show you in a few minutes. Creepy, nigga. I got someone's reflection. It looks like a ghost is chilling in the video. Alright, that's enough of New York for you guys. Too many taxis. Alright, have fun. What? I know we will.